Hey, welcome back, welcome back. I think we're live to Mike's Magic Auto Detailing and Paint Enhancement here in sunny Sharpsburg, Georgia. See it right there? It's official. Yeah, see there, high level detailing and paint correction. But anyway, welcome back everybody. It's good to have you back. Those of you who are back. I just wanted to do a final quick video on this headlight resto, as we like to call it in the business, on this old hammered farm truck. I mean, this thing is hammered, but it's a work truck, farm truck. It's a beater. He don't care about all this. That's okay, that's okay. He's got other vehicles to drive. This is just his beater farm truck that he runs down through the fields, through the trees, and hauls hay and all kind of stuff in. But those of you who are here for the earlier video, you saw how bad, hey Mr. Ricky, my bruh, you saw how bad these headlights were on this old truck. He said the other night when he was coming home, they were so bad he could barely see where he was going. So the other videos talk about these steps I went through to get to this point. I tell you what, damn Ricky, I think those look almost new, or new, better than new, probably. I don't know, but they're good now. And I was gonna correct a misstatement that I had made earlier. I had said that was a rotary buffer. It's not, it's a dual action buffer. Anyway, just to correct that. And just out of an abundance of caution, before I use these products, I always like to go in and review the procedures on my laptop, and the ceramic coating that I put on these headlights, the directions, and talking to the manufacturer, my plan was I was going to compound and polish these headlights. They said forget that, don't do that. That this is a filling, self-leveling ceramic coating, and you're better off not doing that. So I did not do that, which normally I would do, but this is the product I used. Ricky, this is damn good stuff. It is literally a ceramic coating. Yeah, you know, they started off in the firearms business. They make coatings for firearms. I've never used that stuff. And then a couple years ago, they got to the automotive end. This is good stuff. It's literally, once you get to the ready to use it, Ricky, it comes on little applicator pad, which is cloth, which is in there. It's soaked in the trim coat, and it's literally, you wipe it on carefully, watch the videos, you wipe it on, you walk away, you're done, you're done. It takes about an hour for it to cure where it can get wet. I would wait a day or so before I clean them or wash them or put soap on them, but just have an abundance of caution. They say within an hour they're ready to go. It says right there on the back. A minimum 1 hour, a minimum, before driving or exposing to moisture. I would wait longer than that if possible. I know real life gets in the way sometimes, but Ricky, headlight restoration doesn't get any better than this, with the possible exception of applying 2K clear coat on them, which will outlast this stuff by a long shot. This should last a couple good years at least. In the future, just wipe them down with some wax, spray detail, whatever it is you're using to extend the longevity, remove any contaminants that might get on them, because you're going to get contaminants on here just from driving down the road. Hey, Miss Stephanie, you know, you get bug splatter, all that stuff. If you leave any of that stuff on there for any length of time, it will bond to this ceramic coating, and then it will embed into this ceramic coating, and then it will etch it. And then all you're left with is you have to buff off, to get this coating off. There's no way to chemically remove it. You would have to compound it off if you wanted to reapply it. It's that tough. It's hard, tough stuff. But this is the same stuff that comes in that Headlight restoration kit under their name. I believe you can get it at Walmart. It comes with everything you need. I don't buy the kits because it would just wear me out having to buy kit after kit after kit after kit. So I use my own stuff that I can buy in bulk. I buy this in bulk. It's a little bit pricey buying it in bulk like I do, but I use it a lot. You can also use this on plastics, vinyl around your vehicle. Like it would be a perfect solution or a solution for like those rear view mirrors to restore those. On stuff like that, you can end up with high spots occasionally, but it's still way better than having them looking dull and dingy. But I'm really happy with these, the way it turned out. For one time, following the instructions was a good thing. It took 2 steps out of this for me. It took the buffing out of it. And you know, damn if they wasn't right, Ricky and Stephanie. They said, do not buff it. Put it on now. Okay. I figured if it didn't work, I'd just buff it off and then I'd do it anyway. But it filled all those scratches that were left, which wasn't much with the 5K sandpaper I used, which is, you know, that kit comes with all that stuff, you know. And if you're only going to do 1 set of headlights, maybe 2, and you're only going to do them every now and then, that's probably a good purchase for folks like you. But the kits, I don't buy kits because I just use way too much volume for that. But anyway, I'm thinking he's going to be happy with these headlights. After the hour's almost up, I will contact him and tell him he can come get his truck. Thank you guys. I appreciate you dropping by, Ricky, Miss Stephanie. Good to see you on here. Like they say, you know, like, tag, share, follow, subscribe, all that stuff. Give me a thumbs up and a thumbs down. I appreciate y'all. Thank you very much. Alright, I'm going to call him, tell him to come get his truck here in a little while, then I'll get back to work on my car. I've been playing with the roof. I think I said the hood earlier. I've done with the hood. Now I'm playing with the roof. But I've about maxed out according to my paint thickness gauge. That's okay. That's okay. It's a grocery getter too. It's a daily driver, so don't want it showroom perfect. Anyway, thanks guys. Appreciate you. If y'all got any questions, shoot them to me in a PM. I'll be happy to answer them for you. I don't know how much that kit cost. I think it's about 20-25 bucks. If your headlights need restoring and you got a little time on your hand, you got some patience and diligence, let her rip. Alright guys, thank y'all. Have a great day.